Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just doing a video of this 42-inch design house hugger. I think that's what it's called. It's actually in the bathroom. So we'll go ahead and start to give a demo. Starting with the light. It's got 3 cool spotlights. I think it's pretty cool in this bathroom. Never really seen that before. We'll turn it off. We'll start it on high, and just fair warning, this thing wobbles. Oops. Let's turn it off. I gotta hold the fan because I don't want to ruin it. But this thing really pushes the air, literally. I like it. But blades are off balance, or unless the bracket's off balance. I don't know what's wrong with that. I don't leave it on high anyways. This is medium. And it wobbles pretty bad on medium because the blades are out of clock. Alright, this is going to low. I actually leave this on low because that's how bad it wobbles. I tried fixing the blades. There's another one of this down in the basement, and I try to see which one were in good condition, but the way it's just mounted, I don't know. But low speed is usually the best where it is, but I think it's pretty cool for a bathroom, honestly. Let's turn on the light again. And as you can see, there's toilet and then the tub. And then we'll turn it off. Right now it's raining and I just heard thunder just minutes ago. Oh, speaking of thunder, just heard it. It's got an interesting long spin down for what it is. What's ironic about, well, not ironic, but what's interesting though about, from this fan, I just got that Crest, the 42 Crest Incon fan with 4 blades, same rounded blade tips, and also the light spotlight cap. And I just noticed that. I'm like, wow. I'm like, I almost have the same fan. Not quite close, but. And no, there's no cane stencil, just plain on both sides. Definitely a lot like my Crest fan, so yeah. Alright, I'm probably going to stop the blade. Maybe I move it right there. Oh, yeah, the blade's moving backwards because you can just tell how unbalanced these are. It's not moving on reverse, it just moves backwards. So, alright, there you have it. Enjoy.